Keeping your Lenovo docking station drivers up to date is crucial for optimal performance, security, and compatibility. Outdated drivers can significantly impact your docking station's performance, leading to connectivity problems and slower speeds. Updates ensure smooth connections to multiple monitors, external devices, and your laptop. Key benefits include resolving connectivity issues, fixing bugs, and improving data transfer speeds. Lenovo recommends checking for updates every 3 to 6 months to maintain optimal performance. Outdated drivers can cause a 20 to 30% performance decrease, create security vulnerabilities, and lead to compatibility issues. Proactive maintenance is essential. Before updating your Lenovo docking station drivers, ensure you have a stable internet connection, administrator privileges on your computer, and have backed up your important data. The easiest method is using Lenovo Vantage, Lenovo's official app. Download it from lenovo.com, install it, and run a scan. The app will automatically detect your docking station model and install the latest drivers directly from Lenovo's servers. For manual control, go to Lenovo's support website at support.lenovo.com. Enter your docking station's serial number or model number, select drivers and software, and download the most recent driver version. Then install it manually. For advanced users, update through Windows Device Manager by right-clicking your dock and selecting Update Driver. Alternatively, access your laptop's BIOS or UEFI settings to enable dock firmware updates for deeper integration. In most cases, automatic updating through Lenovo Vantage is the best choice for simplicity and reliability. However, manual downloading gives you more control over the update process.